Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. A very happy Valentine's Day to you all, guys. I hope you are all celebrating it with your loved ones today, guys, Pisces. So let's start with the general reading first, guys. So we'll be picking cards for your general energies, for your relationship, and then for your career situation, Pisces. So we have strength, 7 of wands, and 10 of wands for your general energies, guys. So, Pisces, you are facing some struggles in your situation, guys. It may be in your career or it may be in your relationship. So, some kind of obstacles you need to face, and you are a very responsible person. Whatever work you do or whatever path you have chosen for yourself, you have that dedication and you put in your 100% efforts and concentration in what you do. That may be the reason that you are burdened with responsibilities, guys. It may be your career responsibilities, or in your life, in your personal life, you have a lot of responsibilities in your situation, guys. And you are facing stiff competition in your career situation, or it may be in your personal life. So, this person you love, um, maybe there is someone else also interested in this person. So you need to be what to say, you need to really work hard to get this person's interest. So this person you are interested in, they may be what to say, an important position in life. They are quite well known, they may have many friends. So you feel that you have to really be there with them, make it a point to make this relationship work. You are trying really hard, but I see that you are in a very advantageous position today in your career, or it may be in your life, in this love. So they see you as a person who is talented, skilled, and who is dedicated and very responsible. And maybe for some of you, you are very responsible, you are doing things in a particular way. That may again the reason for some troubles or some stress in your situation, guys. So people may see you as handling your circumstance in a difficult way, but that may be the right way, but it is quite difficult because you do your work, or you go about your life with that total dedication, Pisces. So that is what I see, and you are a very calm and composed person. You have that strength in your heart. So whatever your situation is, however things are going, you are not giving way for that impulsive reactions. You have that calm and composed attitude. So that again may be the reason for success in your career or in your life in general, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Ace of Wands. So with this card, I see that in this connection, maybe if you are already in a relationship, this relationship is going to take a turn for that some kind of an adventure. Maybe you may feel that freshness, a new vibrancy in this love, or if you are open to a new relationship, there is a new person coming in, guys, with a proposal. So that is what I see for your relationship. Let's see what is for your career. We have the devil in reverse. So, in your career situation, guys, maybe some habits of yours, it may be some kind of a bad habit or a way of thinking or the way of doing your work. That may be the reason for some troubles in your situation, guys. So, you need to go for that moderation or change the way you are working to achieve more success, Pisces. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys. I have a special Valentine's Day pick a card love reading. If you are interested, you can watch that, guys. That is coming up right now, Pisces. For your pick a card love reading, guys, I have two cards. Today is Valentine's special. So each card comes with a special guidance for you, what you need to do today, guys. So you can close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading will resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, guys. So let's start after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So what do we have here? We have breathe. This is your card for today, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So this card comes with a special guidance, and that guidance is to have patience today, wait and take everything slowly. So this is a time patience is called for in everything, guys. So you need not hurry, you need not be hasty about any decision or about anything. Heart needs time to open, take a breath, and let nature take its own course. So you need to wait. You need to give up all that worries and stress, whatever you have in your situation, release all that tension you have, and just enjoy this present moment. Waiting won't prove difficult, guys. In your heart of hearts, you will know what is right, but your ego will not know, will resist that learning. So you have to be really patient. That is what this card calls for. Just breathe and just be. And patience is going to pay off in more meaningful ways than ever, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So if you are rushing to make some important decisions, this may not be the time for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. We have aqua or a quartz. That is your card for today. So this card just means that connecting to that infinite potential that we have in ourselves and knowing the purpose of our life. So we meet so many people, but in our life we often find our soulmate somehow, and we land up together in unexpected ways, guys. So friends and family or people we like, we meet in the most unexpected places and in an unexpected way, and love makes itself known just as you are beginning to doubt whether it is really there for you, guys. So this crystal spirit, it comes with a special message, guys. You need to be childlike with that wonder and believe in magic. If you do that, if you believe in magic and believe in the power of love, no matter how dark your situation is, love will find you for sure, guys. And you are not forgotten. So, love is everywhere, and even in the darkest hour, it is right there, right in front of you. So, you just need to let it find you. That is what is the necessary thing, guys. So that is the reading, guys. So this person you love, or a friend or a family whom you are missing, is going to come towards you this Valentine's Day, guys. That is what I see with this card, with this crystal spirit. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.